AI is everywhere, but for most business owners, it still feels complicated or out of reach. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI in your business, even if you're not tech savvy. I will not just teach you the tools, but how to think about AI so you can make smarter decisions, save time, and grow your business faster. Artificial intelligence doesn't replace your business, it supports it. Think of AI like hiring a really smart assistant who works 24/7, never gets tired, and never complains. The key is knowing where to put this assistant to work. There are three simple roles AI can play. The first is that it can automate repetitive tasks. Think of emails, reports, and even responses. The second is that it can speed up creative work. These are things like brainstorming, writing, and even visuals. The third is that it can analyze and make suggestions. You can think of customer feedback, trends, and data. So before you look for tools, ask yourself, what tasks are draining my time? What do I keep repeating? What could I automate, accelerate, or analyze with help? AI tools change fast, but the way you think about using them should stay consistent. Don't chase hype. Don't fall for the latest trend just because everyone's talking about it. What matters most is finding tools that solve your specific problem. I could tell you, go try this tool, or use that one, but that won't help if it doesn't fit your business. Instead, here's a better approach. Bookmark these 4 resources and revisit them often. They'll help you find what actually works for you. The first website is called There is an AI for That. You can use it to search AI tools based on a task or business need. The second website is called Futurepedia. This is a huge, well-organized library of AI tools. You can filter by category, use case, or even how new the tool is. The third is you can simply ask ChatGPT or Claude, what AI tools can help me do XYZ in my business? You'll get curated, up-to-date suggestions. Fourthly, search in Google or YouTube using phrases like AI tools for service businesses, how to automate email with AI, etc., and see what others are actually using. This approach is timeless. It saves you from drowning in shiny new tools and helps you build a toolkit that actually supports your business. Don't try to automate everything at once. Start small. Pick one painful task, like writing weekly emails or sending client invoices, and find an AI tool that helps with just that. Once it works, move to the next. That's how you build AI into your business without overwhelm. And before you purchase any AI tool, test in your workflow before committing to paid tools. Combine AI with systems you already use. AG connect tools via Zapier/Make. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for usefulness. Even if you're not technical, you can ask better questions because you know your business. In conclusion, AI isn't just for tech people anymore. It's for business people who want to work smarter. Start by thinking like a systems builder. Use the tools as assistants, not solutions. And always remember, the best AI strategy is the one that actually saves you time.